important.
In the jungle green, so wide and tall,
Lived a little lion, scared of it all.
Hid behind trees, tail curled tight.
What if I roar? What if I fight?
Mama said softly, look inside.
Your heart is strong, your smile is wide.
I am brave, yes I am.
I am brave,
Yes I am.
I am brave, yes I am.
Even when I'm scared a bit,
I take a step, I try again. I am brave, yes I am. One tiny step, then one more.
try to roar.
Roar!
Not loud before,
Legs were shaky, heart went fast.
but every brave step made fear not last.
Dark cave, buzzing bee.
I feel scared, but that's okay with me.
Took a breath, stood up tall.
Brave little lion, surprise them all. I am brave, yes I am. Say it loud, say it proud. You don't need to be big or strong. Being brave is trying along. Being brave doesn't mean no fear. It means you try. I'm proud of you, dear.
I am brave, yes I am.